Okay, make sure that you have the tool on the tool rest all the time. Your finger also engaged with the tool rest, and you'll go back and forth with this gouging tool. Push lightly at first, and then push harder as you go along. Until it's smooth in one cylinder. No flat spots whatsoever. Now I'm going to make a small bulb on the end and a bulb on the other side with my Olin tool. This needs to come down a tiny bit. And then I'm just going to work the corners here. Try not to hit the metal bushing. Metal bushings, when you hear me say that, are just the metal parts. Now I'm going to go in as far as this bushing is, same diameter as that bushing, and I'm going to work that corner. Then I'm going to do a similar thing down here. Actually, I'm going to have to come in here. I'm going to go as far as the bushing down there at the other end is skinny, not going any further because I don't want to end up exposing my brass. And then this is my round this end. Then I'm going to go, each time I go on here, I'm starting a little bit closer to the end, and I'm going to stop cutting right there. And I make that as the same size as my bushing. Then I'm just cleaning this off, and this one I'm going to just take down so it becomes straight in between those two skinny spots. Then I'm just going to clean off my ridges by just barely touching it afterwards, so I don't have as much sanding to do. Now I'm going to loosen this and pull this all the way out of the way. And then I'm going to start to sand it. I'm going to take my #1 sandpaper, biggest grit. I'm just going to lightly touch this. Then I've got little sanding rings on there that are caused by the sandpaper. So I'm going to go along. I'm going to try to not sand my bushing too much because I can get that metal up into it. I push hard when I do this. I'm just touching up the the wood where those sanding rings came on from this going around at 1800 rotations per minute. Then I hit #2. Get easier as it goes along because the sandpaper isn't as coarse. Now I'm going to take this paper, you see that I tore it in half, and then I folded it 4 times. Then I get some wax, that should be enough right there. But before I do that, I take my other piece, fold it once, twice, like that. Always about 1 inch by 1 inch, 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. And then I just clean this off. You can see there's a little bit of dust on there. Set that aside. And then I'm going to put on my wax. This is all about friction and pushing hard, basically. So we cover it with the wax, and we take that same paper and we just push up and pinch. And we pinch hard. Go back and forth. Sometimes you've got to get into some places with a fingernail. Then it's nice and shiny, and now I'm going to push this hard again, pinch and push up. And now it is done. Shiny, looks really cool.